So I know you're saying that, our purpose here is to grow and expand and be joyful. And so my question for you then is, in these times, what are your growth and expansion lessons for you?
Well, that's a good question. And it's funny because for me, I don't go looking for the lessons.
Mhm.
So we're always going through, expansion never ends. So our inner guidance is always guiding us through that excitement to our next step and our next step and our next step and our next step. And for me, I would say my highest guidance right now is understanding, how powerful these teachings are and getting these teachings out to as many people as possible. Now, my focus isn't change the world. My focus isn't how do I save people. For me, it's I'm so excited about the teachings and so excited about the life-changing shifts that I'm seeing people experience that I'm focusing on that and understanding that not everybody's in the receiving mode for it, and that's okay. It's not my job to change the world. My job is to be me to my fullest, just like everybody else. And those who are in the receptive mode and want to learn, what I'm teaching, what I'm putting out there, um, I'm happy that they're showing up.
Maybe meaning those who are on the same frequency as you, right? Who are tuned in.